What's going on YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm back with a new video. I am sorry it's taken me so long. I've been moving. I know I've been moving a lot. I've got a lot to explain, but hopefully things should be back to normal here soon. Anyways, I get a ton of emails all the time. Review this, review that, review this, review that. I deny most of them because, well, they make similar products to ones I've already covered, or I just don't know that brand. And Foscam reached out to me, and I was like, hell yeah, abso-freaking-lutely. I will review something by Foscam because they are a well-known brand, such as Anchor or Zero Lemon or one of those brands that I've worked with for a while and know very well. So this is the Foscam E1, I believe. It is a 100% wire-free camera. It's got a cloud service, a long-lasting rechargeable battery, 1080p full HD, advanced motion detection, weather-resistant two-way audio, night vision, external USB storage, and it supports iOS and Android. Well, we got both of them right here, so we're fine. And there you go. Just you can see it propped up on a little shelf there. And then it comes with its own little networking storage thing. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Now to find out how it opens. Okay. All right, so in the box, we have the little camera. Not very heavy at all. Looks kind of cool. It's probably like a back that it goes to or something. Let's peel off this protective stuff here, showing off all those sensors and infrared and everything. And then, so this comes off. These are buttons you press in. So it does something. Who knows? We'll find out later. Then you have the network box thing. Doesn't weigh very much. It looks like it has a speaker or a vent or something on the back of it. And you've got USB. That's probably for the storage from the camera. And then you've got the LAN cable. And everything else in the box is in here. So you've got instructions on how to set it all up. It's a quick start guide, so all the things that it comes with. The base is connected to an external USB storage device. Nice. So if it's green, you have a flash drive connected or a USB hard drive. If it's blinking, the system is recording. If it's amber, the storage is full or disabled, and off means no storage is inserted. And so that's pretty cool that it shows all that. So you got a sync button. You press this button, it syncs with the base. If it's blinking, its sync is in progress. If it's solid green, then off, it's completed. If it's blinking amber rapidly, it failed to sync. And if it's blinking amber slowly, then off, the camera is low. So there you go. You download an app on your phone. You hook up the Ethernet cable to your router. And actually, while filming, I actually hooked up a 100-foot Ethernet cable from the fiber network box. We have Google Fiber, and I hooked up to the box and brought it in here. So it's a tacky job. I live in an apartment, so I can't drill through walls. But I'll make it look a lot nicer after I do this video. Insert the rechargeable battery. So unlock the rechargeable battery department by pressing and holding the latch. The battery door will open automatically. Align the battery, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Connect your base. All right. Download an app. It's the Foscam app. They got a barcode as well. And get a free Foscam account. Add it to your existing Foscam account. Connect the camera. This is really cool. I like this. All right, so let's go ahead and just set it all up. All right, so we got an Ethernet cable here. We've got screws to mount the camera. All right, so underneath this little flap is a charging port. So I'm assuming you can go ahead and charge this thing up directly. Right here, we've got the battery. Hopefully, there'll be a way to order extra batteries. And it's got a little tab to pull it out nice and easily. Oh, she's talking now. Because I'm charging up that battery that's in there. Wait, no. Oh, it doesn't have the battery in it. It's using the power off the... Okay. So then we have the little base that connects to the back here. And it's magnetic, and it's a pretty strong connection. You won't be able to have it charging while it's on the thing unless you have an angled USB cable or something. That'd be pretty cool. But that's a strong little magnet there. All right, so they included a cable to go ahead and charge up that Foscam and give it power. All right, now we have the power for the station. So let's go ahead and set all of this up. It includes like a little sticky thing here as well, and the box is empty now. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the base station here. hook up the Ethernet cable. And while we're at it, we'll throw in a 128 gig USB storage device. So it's getting power. Oh, the battery latch came out. Now we just gotta figure out which way the battery. So the pins go down in here. Pop that in, close it. Let's go ahead and let it charge up. All right, so we have a green light for the storage. Everything's looking good. Let's go ahead and download the Foscam app on our Pixel.
Device is connecting. Please wait.
I haven't even done anything and I hear device is connecting, please wait. I've got my Foscam account activated.
Device is connecting. Please wait.
Oh, you can enable freaking fingerprint on the app here. So let's go ahead and enable fingerprint. And now it needs my fingerprint to log into the app. Base connections. Okay, so it's connected to the base. Let's add a camera. Oh, let's add a base station as well. Scan the QR code on the back of the base station. Base station successfully added. That was easy. So while setting it up, it's asking me if I want optimized, best battery life, or best video quality. And honestly, I want best video quality. I don't mind charging it a little more to have better quality. Let's go ahead and it includes free Foscam 7-day storage. All right, so look at that. So all I had to do was add the base with the barcode on the back of it. And now the camera is picking up on there. So that's pretty freaking cool. So under the camera settings, you're going to get all a bunch of stuff. Even though I set better quality, I still went to video settings and it was on this. And I just changed it while recording. So I don't know why it didn't save that. So firmware update. Your firmware is up to date. Prompt settings, status LED, power frequency, 60 hertz, 50 hertz. Alarm settings, activity, sensitivity. And then the camera speaker volume all the way up. So I changed the video quality and now the camera is reconnecting to the base. All right, and so now it is recording. And here I can see that the battery is currently charging and it's got the Wi-Fi connection. There's an alarm button, a picture button for the photos, and then a video mode for cloud history where you can see what it has recorded. All right, before we wrap this up, I want to go ahead and hit the alarm button. Yes. Holy shit. Holy freaking heck, dude. That is so loud. Where's it coming from? It's coming from the base. So the base is the one that sets off that siren. That's a loud, loud freaking siren. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the light on the flash drive is constantly flashing, always. So I'm assuming it's continuously recording the footage to the flash drive. That's what I'm assuming. I'm not quite sure. I don't have enough cloud history at all. I feel like it should show you thumbnails of what is happening versus like just hovering over it and waiting for a moment. So let's go ahead and connect this to it. And then this is something you would mount to the wall and you'd be able to pivot it whichever way you want. So if you want it facing downwards, like that's about the most of the angle you're going to get right there. You can face it up, to the right, or to the left. So almost any way you want it, it'll mount right there. So that's pretty awesome. You just mount them back here to something. And you get to see my messy room that's not finished yet because we just moved in last week. I just got boxes everywhere. And then my long Ethernet cable that I ran from the living room to here. Oh, man. So let's get a sample quality video of what this looks like. Flashing always. So I'm assuming it's continuously recording the footage to the flash drive. That's what I'm assuming. I'm not quite sure. I don't have enough cloud history at all. So I'm assuming it's continuously recording the footage to the flash drive. So it's... That's what I'm assuming. Okay, so the blue means that there's been a little bit of activity recorded there, where it recorded that alarm. Oh my gosh. So we hit download, and I'm assuming it saved it to the device. Let's open up VLC and take a look. Yes, it saved it to my device right here, so let's go ahead and play it. It looks pretty good. For a recorded video, it's probably the best I've seen played back. That's pretty awesome. So while wrapping up, I discovered that there was a little mount on the bottom, kind of like on the bottom of my portable recorder and the bottom of my camera. And so I was able to attach my GorillaPod, and I'm able to angle it any direction I want and wrap it around a tree, wrap it around anything without mounting it. So you don't have to mount it. So I thought that was pretty awesome and definitely worth covering. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know. If you didn't enjoy it, please let me know. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. I've got a couple other videos I'm going to be working on today, and I will post them throughout the week. I've got a drone video, and I've got a new Anchor product that I'm pretty excited about. So definitely more videos to come. Sorry for the long delay. So I take my finger on there, and then I'm logged into my camera app. Now I can view my camera. So please follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you're not doing so already. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.